Hello dear student, in part 4, Unit 7 P block elements we will cover following contents: general introduction, electronic configuration of halogen family, trends in physical and chemical properties, chemical reaction of halogens, oxy acids of chlorine, interhalogen compounds and shape of interhalogen compounds. So let's see all the topics with suitable examples. Group number 17 elements are known as halogen family, and in halogen family elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Fluorine belong in second period and its atomic number is 9. So we can write valence electronic configuration of fluorine: helium 2s2 2p5. Next, chlorine atomic number is 17. It belong in third period. So we can write valence electronic configuration: neon 3s2 3p5. Next, bromine atomic number is 35 and bromine belong in fourth period. So we can write the valence electronic configuration: argon 3d10. So after third period, fulfill d orbital present. So we can write a 3d10, then 4s2 4p5. Next, iodine atomic number is 35. It belong in fifth period. So we can write the electronic configuration: krypton 4d10 5s2 5p5. Next, astatine atomic number is 85 and it belong in sixth period. So we can write valence electronic configuration: xenon 4f14 5d10 and 6s2 6p5. So here fulfilled f and d orbital present in fifth period. So we can add in sixth period 4f14 and 5d10, and valence electronic configuration is 6s2 6p5. Halogen family, chlorine belong in second period and it is non-metal. According to period number, its valence electronic configuration is 2s2 2p5. So 7 electron present in its valence cell. Chlorine belong in third period. It is also non-metal. According to period number, 3s2 3p5. Next, bromine belong in fourth period. It is also non-metal and its valence electronic configuration 4s2 4p5. Iodine belong in fifth period. It is also non-metal. Its valence electronic configuration 5s2 5p5. Next, astatine, it belong in sixth period and it is metalloid. It means it shows all metal and non-metal properties, and its valence electronic configuration 6s2 6p5. So halogen family general electronic valence electronic configuration is ns2 np5 and 7 electron present in its valence cell. So only one electron required for octet complete. So these are more electronegative atoms, and fluorine is most electronegative atom in whole periodic table. Physical property of halogen family: fluorine present in a gaseous state, chlorine present in a gaseous state, bromine present in liquid state. So one and only non-metal present in a liquid state at room temperature, iodine present in a solid state. So question is that how many liquid element are present in periodic table? So total 6 element are liquid in periodic table. At room temperature, bromine non-metal and mercurous metal present in a liquid state at room temperature approximately 25 degrees Celsius, and when increased temperature 25 degree to 40 degrees Celsius, some element also present in a liquid state, for example rubidium, cesium, francium and gallium. So total 6 element present in a liquid state. Halogen family's physical properties: first, atomic radii and ionic radii. Halogen have smallest atomic radii in their respective period because of maximum effective nuclear charge. The size of anion is stronger than corresponding atoms. The atomic and anionic radii increases from top to bottom in group. Next, ionization enthalpy. They have very high ionization enthalpy due to smaller size as compared to other group. We know that the in period when we move from left to right, atomic size decreases due to increasing effective nuclear charge. So when the size is smaller, the attraction force between valence shell electron between nucleus is very high, so it is it's more energy required to break attraction force and lose one electron. So therefore high ionization enthalpy in halogen elements. Next, electron gain enthalpy. Halogens have maximum electron gain enthalpy because of this element have only one electron less than stable configuration. So more tendency to acquire electron and acquire stable configuration of noble gases. So all halogen have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy, and fluorine have most electronegative atom of the periodic table. Let's see the periodic tendency of atomic radius in group number 17 element. As we go down the group, atomic radius increases generally due to increasing number of cells. So the order of increasing radius is fluorine and atomic size more than chlorine and then bromine, and larger atomic radius is iodine. So in generally all group, atomic radius increases when we move down the group due to increasing number of cells. So in all group numbers, the element atomic number increases when we move from top to bottom, and due to increasing number of cells, atomic radius increases in general all groups. Ionization energy. Ionization energy is inversely proportional to radius. It means when the radius is smaller, ionization energy is greater, and when the radius is larger, ionization energy is less. So it is the order of ionization energy in group number 17 elements. Fluorine have highest ionization enthalpy due to smaller size, and then iodine have lower ionization energy due to larger atomic size. So we can easily lose electron from its valence shell. Next property is electron affinity. Generally decrease down the group when we move from top to bottom, but third period has more affinity than second period due to small size of second period elements, outer electron field repulsion. So therefore chlorine have higher electron affinity as compared to fluorine. Due to compact size of fluorine, electron repel to each other, so therefore fluorine have less electron affinity as compared to chlorine. So the order of electron affinity for halogen family: first higher electron affinity in chlorine, then chlorine and bromine, then iodine. So it is the most important electron affinity, first in chlorine, then fluorine, then bromine, and then iodine. Electronegativity. So halogen have high electronegativity because its valence shell 7 electron is present and only 1 electron is required for completing octet. So halogen have more electronegativity, and it decrease down the group when we move from top to bottom, and the order of electron negativity is fluorine is higher electronegativity atom of whole periodic table, then after that chlorine, bromine, then iodine. So fluorine has highest electronegativity in whole periodic table. Then next is, let's see the chemical properties: bond strength, melting point, boiling point, oxidizing power and oxidizing potential. Chemical property first, bond strength. So generally bond strength increases when we move down the group, but here when we see the fluorine, for fluorine molecule, the fluorine bond length, and in chlorine bond length, and in bromine bond length, and in iodine bond length. So which one is high bond energy and bond strength? So generally when we see the tendency, according to when we move down the group, atomic size increases and bond length decreases, but here fluorine bond length is weaker as compared to chlorine and bromine, because due to smaller size the electron repel to each other and bond length increases. So therefore fluorine bond length, bond strength decreases. So bond strength higher in chlorine molecule, after that bromine, and then chlorine molecule, and lastly in iodine. Due to higher atomic number, its atomic size is larger, so its bond strength is weaker as compared to other element. So generally when we go down in group, size increases and overlapping decreases due to bond is weaker, but due to very smaller size in fluorine bonding, electron repel to each other and bond length increases, and due to bond strength decreases. So in halogen family, bond strength order is chlorine, bromine, fluorine, then iodine. So it is most important concept. Melting point and boiling point. So generally when we move down the group, melting point and boiling point increases, because of the melting point and boiling point directly proportional to van der Waals force, and van der Waals force directly proportional to molecular mass. So when we move down the group, molecular mass increases, so therefore melting point and boiling point also increases. Oxidizing power of halogen. Halogen family is more electronegative as compared to other family. So halogen family has tendency to attract electrons. We know that in halogens valence electron is 7 and only 1 electron is required to complete its octet. So all halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, attract 1 electron and form fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide. Since halogen family elements itself are getting reduced, and so it will oxidize others. We know that the oxidizing agent work itself reduce and other oxidize by gaining electron. So order of oxidizing power in halogens: fluorine molecule have higher oxidizing power than chlorine molecule, than bromine molecule, and then iodine. Halogen family: chemical reaction with water, reaction with oxygen, reaction with hydrogen and reaction with metals. Let's see the all chemical reaction with suitable examples. Halogens reaction with water. When fluorine F2 react with water molecule, it form HF, hydrogen fluoride and oxygen molecule. When chlorine molecule react with water molecule, it form HCl and HOCl. When bromine react with water molecule, it form HBr and HOBr. And iodine does not react with water, because iodine have less reduction potential value, and it not able to oxidize oxygen, so it does not react with water. Let's see the reaction of fluorine molecule with water. Here water molecule oxidize in oxygen, and HF H, F2 form HF. Next is reaction of chlorine with water. It form HCl and HOCl. So here chlorine oxidation state convert in 3 oxidation state. So in this reaction chlorine atom oxidize as well as reduce. So 3 oxidation state shows in this chemical reaction. That type of reaction is called disproportionation reaction. So chlorine have 0 oxidation state, and in HCl chlorine have -1 oxidation state, and in HOCl having plus oxidation state. Let's see similarly next reaction, bromine react with water molecule, it form HBr and HOBr. It is also shows disproportionation reaction. And then iodine does not react with water because it have less reduction potential value, and it cannot able to oxidize oxygen. Next Hi react with oxygen molecule and give rise to iodine and water molecule. It is reverse reaction. Halogens reaction with hydrogen. So all halogens react with hydrogen, form hydrides. When fluorine molecule react with hydrogen, it form HF molecule. Chlorine react with hydrogen, it form HCl. When bromine react with hydrogen, it form HBr, and iodine react with hydrogen, form hydrogen iodide. So let's see the bond strength in hydrogen halides. As we move down in group, atomic size increases and overlapping decreases, so bond weaker. Therefore the bond strength decreases when we move down the group. So the bond strength order is HF has higher bond strength due to smaller size, and then after that HCl, and then after that HBr, and lowest bond strength in Hi, hydrogen iodide, due to higher atomic size, overlapping decreases and bond weaker. So therefore hydrogen iodide have less bond strength as compared to other halides. Thermal stability of hydrogen halides. Thermal stability is directly proportional to strength of bond. So here the order of thermal stability same as the bond strength. HF has higher thermal stability, and then Hi have lower thermal stability. Next, acidic character. The compound which release H plus easily in is more acidic. So less bond strength hydrogen halide easily lose hydrogen H plus ion. So Hi have higher acidic character as compared to HF. So the acidic character order is HF has less acidic character than HCl, than HBr, and higher acidic character in Hi. Reducing nature of hydride. Reducing nature is more in that compound which release hydrogen easily. So we know that in hydrogen iodide have less bond strength due to higher atomic size. So the order of reducing nature in hydride is HF has less reducing nature than HCl, then HBr, and then in higher reducing nature in hydrogen iodide. Next, reaction of halogen with oxygen. So fluorine has only 2 oxidation states, 0 and -1. It does not have any positive oxidation state because fluorine is most electronegative element. Chlorine react with oxygen, it form oxygen difluoride and peroxydifluoride. So chlorine and bromine and iodine form multiple oxides. Reaction of halogen with metals. All metals react with halogen and form metal halides. For example, magnesium when react with chlorine molecule it form MgCl2. Similarly, when sodium react with chlorine molecule it form NaCl. So arrange in order of covalent character all the metal halogens: lithium fluoride, and then sodium fluoride, then potassium fluoride, then rubidium and cesium fluoride. So due to smaller size, lithium does not transfer electron completely transfer to fluorine, so therefore it shows covalent character due to smaller size, and this covalent character decreases when we move down the group. So lithium fluoride have higher covalent character due to smaller size, and it does not completely transfer its valence shell electron to fluorine atom. And which is more ionic in the below compound? So NaCl is more ionic compound as compared to sodium iodide due to almost equal size of sodium and chlorine. Its ionic bond is very strong as compared to sodium iodide, because iodine have larger atomic size due to its bond weaker as compared to NaCl. So NaCl is more ionic as compared to sodium iodide. Oxo acids of chlorine. Acidic character is same. Halogen increases with increasing in oxidation number of halogens. So here the different oxo acid of halogens. So let's see the acidic character, the order of acidic character in oxo acid of chlorine. So here perchloric acid is higher acidic character than in chloric acid, then in chlorous acid, then less acidic character in hypochlorous acid. Let's see the preparation of different acids. First, hypochlorous acid. When calcium oxychloride react with nitric acid, it forms calcium dinitrite and 2 mole of hypochlorous acid. Next acid is chlorous acid. It can be prepared by the barium dioxide react with 2 mole of oxygen chlorine dioxide. It form barium dioxychloride liquid with oxygen, and it can also form by the barium ClO2 whole twice react with dilute sulfuric acid. It form barium sulfate and chlorous acid. Next acid is chloric acid. Its formula is HClO3. It can be prepared by the barium hydroxide react with 6 mole of chlorine. It form 5 mole of barium chloride, and it form barium trioxychloride of whole twice, and then 6 water molecule. It can also prepare by the BaClO3 whole twice and react with dilute sulfuric acid. It form barium sulfate and 2 mole of chloric acid. Next acid is perchloric acid. It can be formed by the KClO4 react with sulfuric acid. It form potassium bisulfate and perchloric acid, and it can be prepared by Chloric acid. Chloric acid decompose uh, chloric acid convert in perchloric acid and form 2 mole of chlorine dioxide and water molecule. Structure of oxy acids of chlorine. First structure is hypochlorous acid. Its formula is HOCl. So central metal atom is chlorine. Here chlorine one bond form with oxygen and oxygen one bond form with hydrogen. Next acid is chlorous acid. Its formula is HClO2. So here central metal atom is chlorine. Chlorine 2 bond form with oxygen, 1 oxygen form with double bond and 1 oxygen form with single bond, and 1 hydrogen atom bonded with oxygen atom. Next acid is chloric acid. Its formula is HClO3. So central metal atom is chlorine. Chlorine bond with 3 oxygen atom. Here 2 oxygen atom form double bond with chlorine atom and 1 oxygen atom form single bond with chlorine atom and 1 hydrogen bond with oxygen atom. Next acid is perchloric acid. Its formula is HClO4. So here 4 oxygen atom bonded with chlorine atom. Here 3 oxygen atom double bond with chlorine atom and 1 oxygen atom bond with single bond with chlorine atom and 1 hydrogen bond form with oxygen atom. Interhalogen compounds. Product form after reaction of one halogen with another halogen. It means when two halogen atom or molecule react, it form interhalogen compounds. For example, iodine molecule react with fluorine molecule, it form IF3 molecule, interhalogen compound. And then similarly, when bromine molecule react with fluorine molecule, it form BRF3 interhalogen compound. So both are halogens, so compound is known as interhalogen compound. So question is that which interhalogen compound are formed? So generally larger halogen can form bond with a smaller halogen. So therefore fluorine halogen element does not react and it cannot form two interhalogen compounds. So due to smaller size, fluorine molecule not able to form any interhalogen compounds. Next, fluorine molecule form ClF and ClF3 interhalogen compound. Bromine molecule form BRF, BRF3, BRF5, BRCl, BRCl3 and BRCl5 type interhalogen compound. And iodine form maximum number of interhalogen compounds. Let's see the types of interhalogen compounds. So type 1 X-1. So here only one halogens combine and form X type of interhalogen compound. For example, chlorine monofluoride, bromine fluoride, bromine chloride and iodine chloride, iodine bromide, iodine fluoride. Next type is X-3 type. So its shape is T shape. For example, chlorine trifluoride, bromine trifluoride, iodine trichloride, iodine trifluoride. Next type of interhalogen is X-5 and with a square pyramidal shape. For example, chlorine pentafluoride, bromine pentafluoride and iodine pentafluoride. Next type of interhalogen is X-7. So its geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal shape. For only one type of interhalogen form this type of interhalogen, iodine heptafluoride. Let's see the formation of when chlorine react with fluorine, it form 2 mole of ClF, chlorine fluoride. Next, when chlorine react with 3 mole of chlorine, it form 2 mole of ClF3. And when the iodine react with chlorine, it form 2 mole of iodine chloride. Next, when iodine react with 3 mole of chlorine, it form 2 mole of iodine trichloride. When bromine react with 3 mole of fluorine, it form 2 mole of BrF3. And when bromine react with 5 mole of F2, it form 2 mole of BrF5. Shape of interhalogens. First type of interhalogen is X-1 type, for example ClF. So in chlorine atom, 7 electron present in its valence shell. So only one fluorine atom form with bond with chlorine atom. So here 1, 2 and 3 lone pair electron is present. So 3 plus 1 we get 4. It means hybridization is sp3, but form only one bond pair, so its shape is linear and other lone pair electrons present. Next type of interhalogen is X-3 type, for example ClF3. So here also chlorine atom has 7 electron. 3 chlorine atom form bond with chlorine atom and 2 lone pair electrons present. So 3 plus 2 we get 5. 5 means sp3d hybridization. So presence of 2 lone pair electron, its geometry is distorted from trigonal bipyramidal and form T shape because of the presence of 2 lone pair electron. Its shape is T shape. Next type of hybridization is X-5 type, for example BrF5. Here also bromine atom have 7 electron and 5 electron form bond with fluorine atom. So one lone pair electron is present. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It means hybridization is sp3d2 and its regular geometry is octahedral, but in the presence of one lone pair electron, its geometry distorted and form is square pyramidal. Next type of interhalogen is X-7. So here also iodine have 7 electron and all 7 electron form bond with iodine and its geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal.